Hello and welcome to Mountain Floral Gifts. So what I wanted to show you is in today's video is I was buying some artificial Christmas trees that you could use for decorating with our dried flowers that we sell. So this one here is, let's see here, it's the Holiday Time 24-inch pre-lit tree. It's 15 inches diameter and 24 inches high. So when you first get these, they are all squashed together. And in this video here, I'm going to be showing you how to fluff these out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off so that it sits nice on the floor for me. Let's see here. Here. Oh, that's cute. So this one here, they put in a planter that is sort of like a basket, but it's ceramic, so that's why they had it cushioned with all of the bubble wrap so it wouldn't break. So we're going to start getting this fluffed out here, and I'll take the tag off here. So I'm just going to start fluffing these branches out here. And what I've seen people do is they get these and they just take them, if they're in a box, they just take them out of the box. And they're like, well, it doesn't look like the picture. So what you have to do with these is you do have to work with them. And you have to go the whole way around. Most of the time you start at the bottom, but I'm starting at the top because this is the part right here where you can actually see. And you just start working these branches around to get it nice and filled out here. And these will shed. So some people had said that you want to watch if you have pets that they do not get into the flocking of these. There we go. And I'm just going to keep doing this the whole way down, separating this out here. And you can already see it's starting to look a lot better than what it did. Now they did frost the lights of these. You can see when they put the lights on here, they put the frosting over the lights as well. So they are really pretty. They're not quite as bright as the ones that don't have all the frosting on them. But start fluffing this out here. Yeah, you can see this side here is really kind of squashed in. We're just going to work with this here. And you can kind of see which way that they go here. Some of this, the flocking kind of got stuck together. So I'm just kind of working it apart here. And I'm going to finish fluffing this out, and then we're going to come back and I'll show you what it looks like. So we'll be right back. And some of these, what I'm noticing, they're really kind of matted together here. So I'm just working these out. You have to kind of bend the tips out some and figure out which way these branches here are supposed to be going so that you can have your nice full look for your little tree here. There we go. It's looking nice. So I still have some more work to do with it. You can see it looks a whole lot different and a whole lot better already than what it had looked when we first started work with it. And that's the thing, you do have to work with them. You have to bend the branches out and get the desired shape and look that you are looking for it. Okay, so you can see here, I got this all fluffed out. Looks a whole lot prettier and a whole lot different than when I previously had started with it. And we're going to put a few of our short dried flower stems on here. These are available for purchase on our website, and I'll have links down in the description for that. And these are all grown right here on the flower farm in Pennsylvania. So we're going to do, just going to tuck this right in here. And you can use these trees for holiday decor. You can use them for Valentine's Day. People are like, oh, we got to put them away after Christmas. And no, you don't. You can use these for a long time. You can use them in the wintertime. You can use them for different seasons. It all depends on what you want. But these really set this off, and this is really nice. I have another one that I have decorated up, and I can show you that one then. And this one here is a different artificial tree. It's still flocked, but this one here has pine cones on it. It is larger, and we have this one here decorated up. And these ornaments are available on our website for sale, along with the straw flower stems. And we have other dried flowers on there as well. So I brought this over here and I got it plugged in, and you can see what it looks like all lit up. I only did a little bit of decoration on it. I didn't decorate the entire thing, but it looks a whole lot different than what it looked like when I first started working with it. It's a whole lot more fuller, and the lights on it are really pretty. Now, like I said, because these lights here, they put the frosting over them, they're not quite as bright as what the normal ones would be, and they are LED lights, and they can be replaced. But there's a lot of different things that you can use these for. You can do a Valentine's Day tree with them, and if you put them like up on a table or up on like your mantle or something like that, put a little teddy bear there, a little box of candy, and now you could put, if you got them jewelry or something like that, you could put that under there around, and you can have these all decorated up real nice. So I hope that you just found this video helpful. We do have other videos on our channel for different products, different seasonal things. You could also use these if you would be doing a baby shower. You could have it decorated up all nice, and you could turn it into what they call like a money tree or something like that. And what they do with those is you could either put, I would recommend doing like envelopes with string through them where they could put the money or like a gift card in, and you could hang it on the tree. Because sometimes you don't always know what to get somebody. So money trees are something that people do use. They use it for anniversaries and birthday parties and different things. And I'll come back with more videos later and show some different ways that you can use these. The only thing, if you would decide to use clothespins to pin the stuff on, this right here can get damaged and it can shed. So that's why I said about using like the envelope with string through it, and then they could just hang them on here. So we have other videos on the channel for the flower farm and different things. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.